In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use your Amazfit Pop 3R as a camera remote. So on your Fitband, simply open the apps menu, then scroll and look for your camera option. Tap on it, and then you'll notice on your phone, it's switched to the camera. So you have use of the front-facing camera and the back-facing camera as well. So to take an image, simply tap on the shutter button or the camera icon on your watch, and then you'll notice a countdown appearing on the screen, and then the photo will be taken. So you can do this as many times as you want. If you should stop the countdown, tap on the shutter button and it will be stopped or increased. Sadly, this option does not come with a video camera, which could have been incredibly useful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.